Hi, it's Carrie from The Passionate Home. In celebration of Inspiration Month, here at The Passionate Home, the month of August, we celebrate carrying Annie Sloan chalk paint. It'll be 7 years since we've had stocked of this wonderful paint. When I was in Europe last, I was inspired by all the beautiful tiled walkways when you go into homes. I was like, one day I want to have this. So I think that was 2-3 years ago. I came home and did these red stripes. I don't know if you've been in the store, but I said one day we're going to tile with chalk paint between these red stripes so that we have this amazing entrance for our customers. So today's the day that we are going to start doing that. So we have measured this, so I just thought we'd step you through. So if you have a project, you'll kind of get the idea of what to do, and of course we can help you. So as a team, we have picked this stencil. We have measured the distance between the two red lines and marked center with a pencil here. And then we have chosen colors as a team as well. We did a couple of sample boards to kind of decide what was best. We've used graphite, old white, French linen, Paris gray, and now we have, I think, come up with the graphite with an old white over top. So we're going to step you through in probably a couple different videos. First step is making a decision on color, making a decision on the stencil, and doing the math, the hard part. The next part is painting graphite. That's the color we're going to do underneath. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hi, it's Carrie from The Passionate Home. If you're following along with our stenciled cement floor, we have now done a coat of graphite. We used one of Annie Sloan's rollers to apply the graphite, and we've just done one coat. We have now lined up our stencil and about to put old white, again using one of Annie's amazing stencil rollers, and we're going to see how it goes. So I'm not concerned about full coverage because we want it to look old and worn, and actually the more people walk on it, the better. So basically you put a little bit of paint in a tray, work it out in the roller. You don't want too much paint on your roller, and it's really about a light hand. You don't want to squish it down because then the paint will like ooze underneath your stencil and it won't look nice. So here we go. Ooh, I think it's going to be really pretty. So this is part 2. You might want to hang out and make sure you watch part 3 so you can see how this finishes up. Have a great day. Hi, it's Carrie from The Passionate Home. This is our part 3 and I'm so excited. Check out our stencil. If you've been following along, we talked about kind of recreating a European front entryway here at the store at The Passionate Home. We have this amazing cement floor. We did a coat of graphite chalk paint by Annie Sloan. We chose a beautiful stencil. We used Annie's stencil roller and we used old white. Very lightly went over it, and look. So we're not done. We're done the first one, and now we have maybe another 50 to go. So make sure the next time you stop in, you see how far. Maybe we'll share the process, but really it's that easy. I think we are not going to seal it with lacquer. I want it just to wear over time because I think that will just add to the character of it. So thank you so much for following along, and if you have any questions about painting cement or anything to do with chalk paint, you know where to come. Have a great day.